Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to build a kit that I got from Armorbrick. This is the 6x6 utility truck. It was created by Gutnikov Kirill, contains 400 parts, has a difficulty level 3 out of 5, and the set serial number is 352. Nothing really on the sides or the end. Here's the back of the box. You can scan the QR code there for a little information on it. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. There's one instruction manual. Here's a look at what it looks like. It does come with a canvas cover. That'll be interesting. Feels pretty good through the plastic. And there are 6 bags of parts. Let's get started with the build. Here's the completed Armorbrick 6x6 utility truck. I do currently have the canvas cover off the back so you can see what the bed looks like. And the tailgate is down. In order to get a minifig in there, which I believe you can get 2 in there, you have to take the roof off. The doors do not open. And there is a simulated suspension on this. Let's see here. So you can roll over things. Pretty decent build. Got the spare tire behind the cab there. I'll let it finish going around and then I'll put the canvas cover on so you can see what it looks like with that. Here it is with the canvas cover installed. It's held on by 6 little tiles, 3 across the back, or the sides, and 2 across the back there. As you saw earlier, it does roll really well. Pretty good printing on the cover as far as the tie down points across the bottom here. Give you a look at the suspension. So the wheels do have a little side-to-side action, and on the back you can go front to back. Pretty decent build. I enjoyed doing the cab of the truck. Was a couple layers in there that weren't tied together until you got up to the windshield, I believe it was, so it was interesting to build it that way. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and as always, have a wonderful day.